Heyo! Ladies and gentlemen, what's up, what's up, what's up? I was gonna go with my standard intro this morning, but then I realized it had become a bit robotic, so yeah, welcome back to the channel. You see, Anyways, I haven't seen you guys in forever. We are rocking the new Strad merch. That is www.thestradman.com. Go check it out. If only you guys could see where my camera is set right now. This angle is precarious to say the very least. I gotta get in shape so fast, guys. No time. Running very, very late. Very, very late. Honestly, I'm only doing this to plug my new merch. Link in the description below. That's how we do it, boys. That is how we do it. Making gains well, it's really making gains every other day. Anyways, it's pouring rain outside. Lambo day? Lambo day. All right. My room is a mess. Don't look. Where are the keys? Keys. Energy? Take the Lambo, they said. It'd be fun, they said. $65.95 later. They were right. Lambo day. 44,444 miles, and yes, I have a warning light on. I'm sorry if you're triggered. I'm sorry, I gotta get it fixed. Sorry, that was a little bit too much. It's early. It's not that early, it's 11. Two things, it's raining. My windshield wipers don't really work also. That's kind of just for effect. It's not raining that bad, but it's raining. Oh yeah, the goal today was to film a McLaren 675 LT with 700 miles on it, and it's raining. So, I'm not sure where today's video is gonna lead us, but welcome here to Specialized in beautiful rainy Salt Lake City, Utah. It never rains here. Like, it never rains in Utah. It never rains here in Utah. What is going on?
What is going on?
How's it going? Now, I'm not a meteorologist, but I'm predicting the rain's gonna go away. We can only hope, we can only pray. Newfound respect for Rolls-Royce. The Salt Lake City Mafia is here at Specialized. There's that 675 LT. Good news, bad news. Good news, it stopped raining. Bad news, the pavement is still very wet. So we're just kind of chilling, just kind of wasting time. I don't know what we're gonna do, where we're gonna go. Might eat, might not. This is Snoop Dogg's old armored party bus right here. Why you need an armored party bus, I don't know, but we're gonna go on a full tour as we just wait for the rain to kind of disappear. We're just chilling. We are just chilling. It stopped raining, which is good news. The pavement is still very, very wet. It's fortunate and unfortunate. The 675 has 675 metric horsepower, and when the pavement is wet, the back end can, kind of lose traction, and that's a good thing, but it's also can be a bad thing when you don't own the car, and, well, I don't own the car, so check this thing out. Party bus. The sun is not really shining, but 675 LT. Orange seat belts for the win. These are the exact same seats that are in the P1. Okay. I don't know if you can... We got some wheel spin right there. I was just about to say, for some reason, I feel like I'm gonna fall in love with this car. If you saw my most recent Instagram post, how do I say this without saying too much? There could be a British mate on its way. I need this car in my life. Like I was saying, I have a tendency to fall in love with cars very, very quickly, but 675 metric horsepower, it just has a way of doing that. John just convinced me that I need to take it for a quick test drive. There's only 500 of these in the entire world. Let's keep it that way. It's not the most graceful car to get in and out of, but I need to learn the technique because there's very exciting news coming to a vlog in about a week. Yeah, I'm saying way too much. I'm just very excited. All right, John, what do I need to know?
Well, just hold on, dude.
Hold on, launch control. Yeah, how do we initiate launch control? We're in sport mode. We're gonna leave it in sport mode. No track mode today because the tires are cold. The pavement is still a little bit damp. Also, 806 miles on this thing. So this is gonna be a short little drive. Whew, here we go. Oh, jeez. Traffic, we got some traffic, more to come. Hello, it's not mine. It is so fast. And there's some guy telling me that that was just under the speed limit. I'm pretty sure that's what he's saying. You know, ironically enough, that was 54 miles per hour in a 55 zone. Definitely a 55 zone here in downtown Salt Lake City. One last one for the vlog. I don't know if you guys noticed. Whoa, I got a carbon fiber splitter. Man, what a car. So obviously this has the 3.8 liter twin turbocharged V8. So the Performante definitely sounds better. This car is faster around the Nürburgring as well. But the 675 has the doors, it's got the air brake. I don't know, guys. Which would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. This one is for sale for $329,000. The Performante is also for sale for $329,000. In the comments below, which would you choose and why? The why is essential. I don't know where we're going or what well, actually I do know exactly, but I'm not gonna say. We're just headed home. We're not going anywhere special, we're just headed home. This is an acceleration for the old Ferrari dealership! They said Lambo Day would be fun, they were right! We have arrived here to JP Morgan Chase. I need to pick up a cashier's check. What this means, I feel as though perhaps I've said too much without saying enough, and what? I need to get a cashier's check. We'll just, yeah. The last time I came to this JP Morgan Chase, I was told adamantly I could not film inside. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. It's not that I don't want to tell you I bought a car. You see what I did there? If you're smart, you understand what I just did right there. It's just more exciting if there's a bit of mystery, if you will. So I need to pack because we are flying off to Boston here very quickly. My room is a mess, and yes, Mom, I did make my bed. The closet isn't very impressive either. I'm sorry, I've been busy. Video's not even really worth watching without a proper snap transition. Ayo, that is how you do it. Basically, you push everything to one side of the room that's kind of like outer frame, so that then the one angle you need looks good. It doesn't look that good, okay. I got the data, the facts and figures you guys know and count on and depend on and that you love. None of that made sense. It doesn't matter because here they are. Maybe like 4 vlogs ago, I told you that there was a check engine light on the Audi R8. I took it up to make some models, picked it up yesterday. Everything is fixed. However, this is the service record. That's a lot of text. They did a lot of work and it wasn't cheap. Now I'm not gonna read all of this to you because it'd be very boring. You'd fall asleep and you'd move on in the vlog, but we have some very exciting stuff coming on here very shortly. So if you're thinking about leaving, don't. I mean, it's really kind of like a come and go relationship, so it's sort of the check engine light, there was a vacuum leak underneath the intake manifold. That vacuum leak is gone. They also did a carbon cleaning, so there was a lot of carbon buildup on the valves. They went through, they cleaned all that out. The secondary air system, I don't really know what that is. It has something to do with the emissions, maybe? I should do research before talking. So anyways, the secondary air system had a leak. The speed sensor needed to be replaced too. $2,098.65. So, yeah. I don't know how to say this without offending. Trying to sell the car through my YouTube channel seemed good in theory, but it resulted in a lot of nonsense. So, off to Specialized. Well, first I'm gonna take a nap, then I'm gonna edit this video, and then we're headed off to Specialized. But as far as you're concerned, we're headed to Specialized. Check that out, we got a Maybach. What is that doing in Utah? The time has come, so I'm leaving the R8 here at Specialized. The car is gonna be on consignment, which means that officially I have to remove the Strad sticker. I know, if I could get a unanimous sigh of sadness, disappointment. Also a blade would be really, actually no, we're good. Some point in my life, I will have Strad stickers available on the website. When that is, I don't know, but soon. One last massive shout out to Clayton at Summit Auto Lab. If you guys need a vinyl wrap, he is your guy. I'm holding a camera, that's why John is flexing on me right now. He just made me look so bad. There you go. Look how massive the Maybach is compared to the R8. This is the first time, probably the last time, I'll ever see a Maybach in the state of Utah. MSRP on that car was like what, 300? Over $300,000 for that thing.
Now you pick it up for
50,000. Cold. That was a cold startup. 50,000 bucks for that Maybach right there. I'm passing off the key to John. So I'm not selling the car. It's only here on consignment. So if you guys need to consign your car, well, John at Specialized is your guy. Also, this is gonna be a warm startup with non-straight pipes. I apologize. If you guys didn't know, I sold my straight pipes separately. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is not a paid product placement for Dyson, but the Dyson sounds very similar. Look at that new grille in the R8. It looks so good.
Hopefully when you come back, you don't even see this car.
Well, yeah, that's true. This could be the last time, guys. This honestly could be the last time we ever see that beautiful, beautiful R8. So many great memories. Also, while we were gone, the sick Acura NSX. So this is like a satin clear PPF over white metallic paint. It looks so killer. And check this out. This is car number 35 right there. Okay, it is time to head off to Massachusetts. Low key, I was kind of hoping we'd take Snoop Dogg's armored truck / party bus, but instead, we were taking the Mini Cooper, as you do. And they said the Cooper wasn't practical. Check this out. Dude, you could start Uber with this. Snoop Dogg's party bus would have been fun, but a Mini Cooper. This thing is for sale. It's specialized for 29,000 bucks. Cooper squad, we're rolling strong. What's up, what's up? You definitely feel the bumps in the Mini Cooper. We have arrived here to Salt Lake City International Airport. We're on time, so that's a good thing. Low key, I was kind of hoping John would just drive me right inside the airport to the gate like Italian job style, but it's not really allowed, so yeah. Thank you for the airport shuttle, the 675 LT ride. We'll see you later. We're headed off to Massachusetts. I could film that, but it's gonna be pretty boring. So effectively, today's video is over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.